Halloween! Happy Halloween! Hey y'all, and welcome to another vlog. Today is Halloween. I am a carrot. Can y'all put that two and two together? I'm a carrot. All right, I gotta put my glasses on. And then, ooh, now I can see some, y'all. All right, packed lunch today. Ham and cheese sandwich, some Ruffles sour cream and onion chips, some Jello pudding, some fruit snacks, trail mix bar. And I got a liquid IV in here. I just need really nothing else. Hey y'all, I am heading to work. I'm just gonna leave my hair out for the day. I'm not gonna put it up in buns like I thought I was gonna do. It'll just make it to where, like, yeah. And I'm not getting green hair dye for my hair because I'm afraid that it wouldn't come back to my original color. But anyways, y'all, it is 7:17 in the morning. Hopefully I can collect some different clips of different outfits from today, and then share with you guys. Because it is Halloween, our tradition is normally to do, like, order pizza or go to Chick-fil-A after, or to just go to McDonald's. We went to McDonald's yesterday, so I'm sure today we will just do something simple. I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's gonna be something simple. So I'll catch you guys at work. So deep in the feelings. Hey y'all, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. So today it is Halloween. I am dressed up as a carrot, and because there's a mirror in here while I'm getting ready to eat lunch, I can show you guys today's outfit. So today I am a carrot from the book PB&J. I decided to do these as the top part of the costume instead of dyeing my hair green, and then I just did all orange for the carrot body, and then I have in, like, green earrings. So some of the kids are dressed up, some of them are not, and that's totally okay. When they're not dressed up, the librarian gives them the opportunity to do book character hats like these. And as you guys can see, here are some of the pictures of my kids in first grade who had costumes on today. And yeah, so anyways, I'm about to eat lunch. Today's lunch I bought, and I've been using my Trader Joe's insulated bag every single day since I got it. Y'all, these little lunch boxes are $3.99 at Trader Joe's. Better go get you one before they run out. They smell just like green onions, and honestly, you can heat it up in the morning and still eat them throughout the day. So it's almost like they have cheese in them, but they don't. So anyways, after lunch I go back. We're gonna go carve some pumpkins outside on the picnic table, and it's basically just gonna, like, be turned into a math lesson. So 8 kids are gonna come with me. On my side, 8 kids are gonna go with my coworker. But for lunch today, this is what I bought. So I had enough time after trying to put my costume together and help my kids get ready. I made a ham and cheese sandwich on white bread. I got some sour cream and onion Ruffles, chocolate pudding, Jello. I have Funnable Baby Shark snacks, Trader Joe's Rainbow and Trail Mix bar, which is the bomb, and just a liquid IV in the watermelon flavor. But I doubt that I put that in my water because I didn't fill it up. I just put ice in it not too long ago. So gotta have my Owala at all times. This one right here is adorable. It came out at Easter time and I just had to get it. And normally I don't take the labels off, but sometimes I have been because I forget that I have it with me. So that's the plan for the rest of the day. Hopefully I can include some more pictures, clips in towards the end. Like I said, right now, I'm really hungry. So a ham and cheese sandwich is the best. I didn't have coffee this morning. Instead, I had milk tea. So I'm really kind of low on caffeine. I love getting these out of the refrigerated section. It's just like literally chocolate, vanilla swirl, pudding. So yes, that's how the day is going. I'm gonna throw some more clips in here and enjoy the rest of our Halloween. So for today, we don't have to stay after. Once all the kids are gone, we can leave. And honestly, this was a last minute costume idea because my coworkers wanted to do PB&J. And unfortunately, they waited till the last minute to tell me about it. And in the book, there are plenty of characters that I could have been. Could have been a strawberry if I wanted to. But that just would have been too much. So.
That's why it's so tough.
What does it feel like on the inside?
This is
Somebody said rough,
thick.
somebody said bumpy.
This is thick.
Could you say slimy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And gross.
Are you getting it out?
I got some seeds.
All right, so this is the pumpkin that we carved.
All right, y'all, so that's how Halloween went today at work. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching all of the Vlogtober videos that I put out every single day in the month of October. I'm really hoping to continue to bring you guys more day in the lives because it seems like that's what you guys are more interested in. And of course, showing you guys just like life in general, being an instructional assistant. So if you have any other content ideas that you would love to see here on this channel, drop it down below and I definitely will film based around that. The remainder of the evening is owed to my own kids and I'm gonna get ready to get them some food, take them out trick-or-treating, and then of course get ready for this field trip that we have tomorrow, and that will be on my channel tomorrow, so look forward to that video.